Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get Windows 7 like sidebar widgets in Windows 10 running computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So as we all know that in Windows 10 the Windows 7 like sidebar widgets have been removed, so we don't get such features inbuilt in the Windows 10 operating system. So how you can get back the Windows 7 like sidebar widgets? So for this, what you need to do is you need to open any web browser, and in the Google search you need to search this application name as 8Gadget Pack. Just search this application, and once you search this application you can see its official websites 8gadgetpack.net. just click on it. Now you can see its official website, and now you can see on the right side download. Just click on it, click on save file, wait for a few seconds until the downloading gets complete. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and just let me minimize the web browser. Now just double left click it to run the software, click on install, wait for a few seconds until the complete installation gets complete. So our installation has been completed, so click on finish. Now you can see on the right panel you can see a Windows 7 like widgets, right? So you can see a plus icon here. When you click on it, so it will show you all the available widgets that is available under this software. So it is almost the similar widgets that used to have in the Windows 7 operating system. So you can get back the Windows 7 like sidebar widgets in Windows 10 using this application name as 8Gadget Pack. So to add any application here, just you can drag and drop here. So you can see here, you can just drag and drop. You can change the position, you can just click on it, click here, and you can add more widgets if you want to add more widgets. It's like calculator widgets. You can just place it here. As much widgets you want, you can place there. You can see on the left top corner there are more widgets. Just click on it, page 2, page 3. So tons of widgets and useful widgets that you can add on your respective widgets. So if you want more than the present widgets that is available under this software, then what you can do is just open any web browser again and just search this name Gadgets Kit in Google search. So once you search this name as Gadgets Kit, you can see its official website Windows Gadgets. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. So here you can see almost 1197 different widgets, styles, and lots of widgets are available here. So you can see in the below, you can just select the respective widgets that you want to download and add with the 8Gadget Pack software. So there are tons of widgets. You can just select the respective widgets and you can download your choice. So you can just click on here any one, and you can see here pre-download, and it will be added automatically to the 8Gadget Packs. So by going to this website you can get more widgets for your software name as 8Gadget Pack. So in this way you can get a Windows 7 like sidebar widgets in Windows 10 running computers very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.